Hello, third graders. Today let's listen to the story called Compost Stew, an A to Z recipe for the earth. You can listen for rhyming text and notice the mixed media art used as illustrations. Compost Stew, an A to Z recipe for the earth, written by Mary McKenna Saddels, illustrated by Ashley Wolf. Environmental chefs, here's a recipe for you to fix from scratch to mix a batch of compost stew. Ingredients: apple cores, bananas bruised, coffee grounds with filters used, dirt clods crumbled, eggshells crushed, fruit pulp left behind, all mushed, grass clippings, hair snippings, and an insect or two. Just add to the pot and let it all rot into compost stew. Save jack-o'-lanterns, kitchen scraps, laundry lint from dryer traps, mulch removed from garden beds, nutshells, oatmeal, paper shreds, quarry dust, rye bread crust, and seaweed strands, a few. Just add to the pot and let it all rot into compost stew. Take tea bags plucked from long hot swimmings, underbrush prunings, vegetable trimmings, wiggly worms with compost cravings, Christmas tree needles, yellow pine shavings, and zinnia heads from flower beds whose blooming days are through. Just add to the pot and let it all rot into compost stew. Moisten, toss lightly, cover, let brew, and when the cooking is complete, Mother Earth will have a treat. Dark and crumbly, rich and sweet. Now open the pot, and what have you got? Compost stew. Out of pumpkins? Low on flies? Get creative. Improvise. You can always substitute any veggie, plant, or fruit. But please recycle these instead. They won't break down, so not a shred of metal, plastic, packing foam, or chemicals found in the home. What's more, no meat or dairy, please. No bones or gravy, fish or cheese, for these will cause an awful smell, attracting animals as well. Earthy, yes. Meaty, no. Synthetic, stop. Natural, go. So spice it up, but be judicious. Keep it wholesome and nutritious. Mother Earth will say, delicious compost stew. Adapting the recipe for potluck contributions or how to keep too many cooks from spoiling the stew. Ingredients may vary from these general recommendations, so whenever you've got a community pot, follow your local regulations. There is an author's note at the beginning. Compost is nature's way of recycling. When plants, animals, and minerals break down, they are returned to the earth to become part of the soil. Laundry lint, for example, which is made up of cotton fiber from your clothes, quickly breaks down in the compost. Quarry dust, which is finely ground rock powder, adds minerals that improve soil. And when worms eat their way through the compost, it comes out the other end as castings that further enrich the soil and help plants grow. To learn more about composting, visit the Compost Stew page of the author's website at Sidals, SIDALS.com/compost-stew.html